Yo! They don't see the dust anymore. They don't hear the wood screaming on the road. Listen. We didn't need a motor, didn't need a show. Took a block of oak and a sturdy vine, carved out a dream on a steep incline. No rubber, no chrome, just the heart of the tree. The Cali dieng was the king of the street, you see. Hand-carved wheels, no brakes, just luck. Faster than a lightning, tougher than a truck. Oh, Cali dieng, wood against the stone. The fastest ride that we've ever known. Now the streets are quiet and the memories fade, while the Gen Z kids play in the digital shade. We were downhill legends. We were mountain kings, riding on the soul of the wooden wings. Check my style, check the scars on my knees. Flying down the slope, dodging all the trees. Remember the friction, remember the heat. The smell of the timber hitting the street. Mama used to yell, look at your clothes. Big holes in my pants, yeah, everyone knows. Using my heels just to slow the momentum. If the wheels didn't break, then we didn't repent them. But now the village is still, the craft is a ghost. The thing that we loved is what we miss the most.